Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Biggest opportunity here and achievement. One, my 3 students, they participated in the demonstration and team won and they achieved a bronze medal. And secondly, I also represented first time ever from India in WMC as official, and this is such a really a biggest opportunity for me. And the most amazing thing what I feel, and after getting these opportunities, we are representing our country, our states, and this is really amazing feelings what we feel. And every time we need motivation to do best for our country. So this is not only our achievement, we are not going to stop here. We have further goals also. Next month in December, we are preparing for the Mombasa Open in Kenya, and we will definitely do best for our country, and we will give our maximum level of seriousness and efforts. So thank you very much for everybody who supports, and mostly we need your blessings, and we are thankful for everything. All we trust the God, and we just believe in hard work.
I'm feeling very happy after achieving the bronze medal. It was the most toughest online virtual championship. Now we are preparing for the upcoming tournament Mombasa, which is in Kenya, which is going to be held in December. We need your blessings and support.
Yes, I am super happy to have bronze medal to my the biggest event in WMC. So my motive is to keep going on, and I would like to congratulate my team and my coach for supporting and believing me.
So we tried our best and we have managed to get bronze medal. But this event was very difficult. Like there was 100 countries and more than 300 candidates from all over the world have participated. So it was really tough, but we have managed to get the bronze medal. But next year we are hoping for gold, and we will try our best to get the gold medal.